Alright, so I got my Ford Explorer XLT 2013 with a 2.0 turbo and 130 some thousand miles, and it's making this noise. Problem is transmission mounts, the motor mount, and the torque mount underneath the engine all need to be changed out. So if your Explorer's making that same noise, then that's probably what it is. Here you're gonna hear it again. I just came back from the transmission shop, and they told me that that's what the problem is. So I have the transmission mount. I'm gonna change it out. Then they're gonna order me the other two parts and change those out. If I accelerate gently, you won't hear it. It's when you accelerate just a little bit heavier. That's when you'll hear all that noise. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you.